If you selected a voice keypad, it gives you the extra feature of a message center so you can record and play back a message for your family. This message can be up to 2.5 minutes long. It stays in the keypad's memory until a new message is recorded. To record a message, press the pound button, then the 0 button, and then the pound button. The message icon will light, letting you know that the recording is in process.
Hi, honey, I'm going to the store now. I'll be back later.
To end the recording, just press the 3 button. The keypad will ding twice to tell you the recording is over. The message icon will flash, letting you know that there is a message waiting. If you want to play the message, press the pound button, then 0 and 3. The message will play and the message icon will turn off.
Hi, honey, I'm going to the store now. I'll be back later.
If you want to adjust the volume, press pound, 0, and 2 to adjust the volume one level. There are 5 settings for volume: off, on, high, medium, and low. Each time you enter pound, 0, and 2, it will adjust the volume one level. The voice keypad will also announce the alarm status when you arm or disarm the system. Here's how to turn on the voice mode. Just adjust the keypad volume to on or check by following the steps we just covered. To disable the voice mode, adjust the keypad volume to off. If you want the keypad to announce each time a protected door or window is open, use the chime mode. First, adjust the volume to on or check by pressing pound, 0, 2. Turn on the keypad chime mode by entering your code and then pressing the 9 button. Once this is activated, your keypad will announce current system status and display any faults. To announce the status, press the pound button, 0 button, and star key once. The system status is then announced.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
To announce faults, press the pound button, 0, and star, and then the star button a second time within 10 seconds of the first press. Then, the fault zones will be announced.
Fault, back, door.